People, they're living inside you. They really are. If you knew the amount of parasites and fungus in you, you would not be able to function. You have big parasites living in you right now, and fungus and bacteria. But the parasites and the fungus are the worst of them all because they literally feed off the food you eat. They make you hungry. They bloat you up. They cause all kinds of issues in your body. You want to get rid of them. The only way to get rid of them is to change the food you're eating because the food you're eating is the breeding ground. It's creating the breeding ground for them. It causes fermentation, and they love fermentation. Remember, whatever you don't digest in 24 to 36 hours becomes fermented. It becomes it festers, and this breeds the parasites, and this breeds the fungus. You want to get rid of that, and so you want to stop eating the foods that are causing this. The foods responsible are the animal products and the cooked starches. Also, poor food combination, combining protein and starches, combining fruits and vegetables plus starches or proteins will cause this. You only want to eat fruits to clean this up. Fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner will help you get rid of this. You also want to take tinctures or formulas that are natural parasite killers that can get rid of the parasites and the fungus. It can take a month of treatment, natural treatment, but you will get rid of them, especially if you go on all fruits. So I thought I'd make this video for you because one of the reasons why you are getting bloated, gaining weight, you are not feeling well or tired is because you have parasites and fungus in you, and it's time to get rid of them. I have a free protocol underneath. Please click the link below, join the group, use the protocol, it's free, and you'll get all the benefits that you deserve. Any questions, feel free and ask below.